We took a trip to Sedona, Arizona, where we went on multiple hikes and saw beautiful rock formations. Sedona is a small town in Arizona that's known for its scenic wilderness and numerous hiking trails. Towards the south end of Sedona is Bell Rock, a large rock formation shaped like a bell. There are multiple trails that go around the base and up the rock. We started out on the Bell Rock Trail. It's a flat path from the parking lot towards the rock. There are several trails in the area, and we headed straight towards Bell Rock. The trail started going up. There were some parts that required a bit of scrambling. We reached a large platform where we took a quick rest. Then continued up the trail. The trail gets higher and steeper, but we stopped and just explored the area and enjoyed the views. Then we headed back down. The trail was less than a mile round trip. Close to Bell Rock is Cathedral Rock, one of the more popular hikes in Sedona. The trail started off with a mild incline along a path. We reached a large flat area where we took a short break. Then we headed up these rock terraces, which involved some steep scrambling. After the terraces was a steep and narrow path. Then the path continues up a steep and narrow crevice where people could only pass in one direction at a time. Good job, bud. Once we got past that section, we were about 2/3 of the way to the top, but had to turn around. The full trail is about a mile round trip. A little north of Cathedral Rock is Chapel of the Holy Cross, a unique church built into the rocks on a hill. We walked into the main sanctuary, a small but beautiful building. Right next to the church is Chapel Trail, a short, easy path that goes alongside the mountains.
Wow.
The trail continues on and connects to other trails, but we stopped at a half-mile in to rest and take in the views. Nearby is Raven Caves, a short trail to a set of caverns. We started on a mild dirt path. We arrived at a spot directly above the caves and took a steep and narrow path down and around to the entrance. We walked into the first cave tunnel. It opened up to a gap where we had to walk along the edge to the next cave.
Okay.
We entered into a second cave with multiple openings to the cliff side. Around the corner was a third cave that we had to sidestep around a ledge to reach. We followed the cave tunnel all the way to the end. And then turned around to head out. In the hills north of Sedona is Devil's Bridge. There are multiple trails to get there, and we took the Mescal trailhead, which was 4 miles round trip. The first part of the trail winds through the forest. A mile into the trail, we started walking up a dry river. It gradually got steeper with some rocks to walk up. Towards the end of the trail to Devil's Bridge, the path turned into steep rocks to climb up. There was a flat lookout spot where we took a rest to see how high we climbed. Then we continued climbing up the last part. We then arrived at Devil's Bridge, a natural archway you could walk across. The line was really long to walk across the bridge and take photos, so we just sat down and admired the view. Then we headed back. The landscape of Sedona was breathtaking, and there were many more trails we didn't have time for. It was a great variety of challenging and easy hikes for our whole family to enjoy.